Would you rather have $200 or a stack of quarters as tall as you? This is not a repost. There was a mathematical error in the video that I posted this morning, so I thought that I'd redo it. So what was the error? Well, it wasn't my height. I'm still 5'7" tall or 67 inches tall, which is around 170 centimeters. My error was measuring 6 quarters. And with the ruler, still to me, it looks like it's a centimeter tall. And you could try it at home. It looks exactly like a centimeter. But when you look it up, it says that a quarter is 0.175 centimeters thick. So instead of 6 quarters being exactly 1 centimeter, 6 quarters is actually 1.05 centimeters tall. Now to make the calculation easier for me, I'm going to find out the height of 4 quarters, since 4 quarters is $1. Multiplying both of these quantities by 4, I see that 4 quarters is 0.7 centimeters tall. So my goal is to figure out how many 0.7 centimeters fit into 170 centimeters, and we can do that with division. And when we divide, we can see that this is roughly 242.86. Remember, we're measuring in quarters here, so they're not going to give me this amount. I'm assuming they're going to round down, so they would give me $242.75 if I chose the stack of quarters as tall as me. And just in case you're curious, if you're over 140 centimeters tall, which is a little above 4'7" inches, you would get more money with a stack of quarters. Now, in my classroom, I have students reflect on their mistakes with this sentence frame. At first I thought, but now I think, and then they do the problem again. So let me model that. I just did the problem again. So at first I thought that I could be accurate and precise when measuring 6 quarters, because 6 quarters looks exactly like a centimeter to me. But now I think that I should just look up the thickness of a quarter because that's going to be way more precise. And with a unit as small as a centimeter, any error is going to look huge when multiplying by a big number. For example, I was over $11 off. So everyone makes mistakes. Now, just in case you're curious on the value of your stack, we would have your height in centimeters divided by 0.7, and that would tell you how much money is in the stack of quarters as tall as you. So how much money would you have over here? Let me know in the comments.